I'm Pat Keeney, an instructional designer with K-12. Along with my assistant, we're here to work with you on a lab that explores changes of phase. In most lab work, advanced preparation is needed, and safety is always important to consider. When a substance melts, freezes, condenses, or boils, it is experiencing a phase change. When ice cream melts, or when you see condensation on the bathroom mirror after taking a shower, you are witnessing matter change from one phase to another. That change depends on a transfer of energy from one substance to another. The important question to consider in this lab is, how does temperature change during phase changes? In this experiment, we'll explore how temperature changes as ice melts, turns to liquid, and then warms. Then, you will analyze data to understand what happens during many phase changes. Use your observations and prior knowledge to write a hypothesis that describes how the temperature will change over time as ice, a solid, changes phase and becomes water, a liquid, and then water vapor, a gas. A good hypothesis should take the form of an if-then statement, such as, if the temperature increases, then, well, you fill in the blanks. At least one day before the lab was done, we made a tray of ice cubes. We needed ice cubes to start the experiment. Before attempting the lab, we created a data table with the following columns: time in minutes, temperature in degrees Celsius, the state of the matter, and notes. First, we attached a binder clip to the top of our thermometer and placed the dowel rod through the loops of the binder clip. We then attached the dowel rod to the top of a stable object and taped the dowel rod securely in place. Then we placed the ice cubes in a small saucepan. We placed the thermometer in the ice, and then we started timing the phase change. To get the best lab results, we made certain that the thermometer was in the ice and not touching the bottom or sides of the pan. We were sure to record the temperature of the water this way, not the temperature of the pan. We recorded the temperature and state of the water every 30 seconds in the data table. Over time, we observed the ice continue to melt. We kept taking temperature data during the phase change and the warming of the water. We'd complete the experiment by showing you more in this video, but that would be as exciting as watching ice melt. From the provided data, note that something interesting happens when water melts and boils. Think about what happened to the temperature when the ice was melting as compared with the time when there was only water. Finally, compare the results of your experiment with your hypothesis.